If you're watching this video, it could be because you're volunteering at a GeoPlunge tournament. First, thank you. Without volunteers like you, we could not hold GeoPlunge competitions. GeoPlunge tournaments are played in different levels with Combo 1, Combo 2, Combo 3, and Combo 4. Combo 1 is the easiest level. It stands for Combination Level 1 because you'll play 4 games in each round. So teams will play head-to-head competition, and they'll play 4 games during 20-minute rounds. The first game is Border Up, then State IQ, then Dashing States, then Play the Ranks. If there's time still within that 20-minute round, you would continue on with Border Up, then State IQ, etc. If you're in the middle of one of the games and the round ends, you would stop playing that game and it would not count towards the total. Here's an example of what a score sheet might look like when it's completed. Notice that the wins, losses, and ties are circled, and at the end, the winning team was circled. If you need video instructions on how to play our games, you can go to our YouTube channel called GeoPlunge, or you can go to our website at www.learningplunge.org and click on the Resources tab. Ready, set, GeoPlunge.